Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Case and buds have some charge, Bluetooth is on, and your phone is unlocked. Open the case within a few inches of your device. A pairing prompt appears because the Airpods broadcast while the lid is open. Tap Connect to begin. Once done, make sure your device shows the Airpods as connected in Bluetooth settings. That verifies both audio and microphone channels. This immediate feedback prevents wasted steps and speeds up the whole setup process. Once paired, you configure behavior so the Airpods work the way you expect. Go into Bluetooth settings to enable automatic ear detection and choose double tap or press actions for play/pause, next, or Siri. This is how you control playback without the phone. Next, focus on fit. Try different tips until you get a secure seal, then play music to confirm bass and isolation. Finally, rename the Airpods and enable automatic device switching. Doing so keeps connectivity seamless across your ecosystem. You're ready for everyday use. Use gestures or Siri to manage calls, volume, and playback because hands-free control is faster and safer. Monitor battery from the widget or device status and recharge the case when overall charge drops near 20% to avoid sudden cutouts. If audio stutters, one bud is silent, or pairing fails, reset the Airpods by holding the case button for about 15 seconds and repair. This clears conflicts and usually restores normal operation quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.